Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Finally, I'm going to drop that video here. You understand me already, but me never ready yet, guys. Me never ready yet. You understand me already. More of them feel say, yo, me forget, but me no forget. Yeah, guys, so more of them feel say, yo, me forget, but me no forget. You understand me already. Guys, you remember me that asked, what is a bang belly goat? I mean, I tell you, say these people have me in a court about criminal charge. Bang belly goat, bag your face when you come a court. You suck a little money out of me, I know you want to suck a little blood. People, fish where you dunks these fucking people be. What do you make a court? He court done, you know? He done. What do you make a court, guys? And the same little dirty ass mouth judge in a Granville family court. I go tell me about she can't bother with this. Oh, you can't bother with this. You go throw it way. You can't bother with this. If you follow up this. What is a bang belly goat? From day one, me get lawyer, come a court. And you never want to take no talk from Mr. Thomas. Where I could not take people for fucking idiot. Yes, Judge, are you me a talk? Yeah, you not take people for fucking idiot. Because you want me pay for fuckery. And people, viewers and subscribers, I'm not going to show no what I go on. Me decide say, yo, cause Mr. Thomas I lawyer, you know. Mr. Thomas come a court. Tell the fucking ass smoke, girl. You can't charge me for that. People, yo, nothing couldn't stop she. And the first thing, me ask, the worst thing, me ask Mr. Thomas how much he in charge. Don't take any money. People, me get a different fucking lawyer. Cause when Thomas tell he ask me, girl, he can't charge me for that for my own words, you know. She still insists to charge me. And I give me quote date from 2022, guys. 2025 we now. People, me not lie if you tell you. Yo, when me get a lawyer now, Jerry Edwin. Yeah, me pay me $1,200, not true. I go show the blood clot people and me receive fish on us on a fucking thief. I don't like foreigners. Guys, wanna look. And me receive this when me pay the lawyer. You understand? Me don't know where other receipt they got 3 times me pay him. You understand how they see there? So you receipt stamp up on every fucking thing. And you do not turn up to court. And people look up, I was showing you say these people take people for fucking fool. Watch you now. Me pay me $1,200, get different lawyer and pay $1,200. 3 times me go court and lawyer don't turn up. The last time me go court, you throw away the case. Why you throw away the blood clot case? Why you never throw away the case from first when Mr. Thomas tell us say, yo, you can't charge him for that? For sure, you know, wicked and fuck up these people, yo. Them wait until me pay the lawyer. Them throw away case. And they know say lawyer need to come. Cause I would them plan. You understand me? I would them plan. Yo, remember this, Miss Redhead. Remember, when you tell me you don't like blood clot Jamaican, and I saw me approve it. I approve it step by step with Uno. Remember, you know, Uno the line, you know. And Uno the first one tell me Uno don't like Jamaican, and I approve it. Me have proof can show. Miss Redhead, remember me come make the report, and you tell me you don't. That's why you don't like Jamaican. And watch, you see from this, so I just saw me a step by step. And I figure it out. And everything a blood clot show. Alright. You little batty boy. We are watch out my video. When me put up my video them and attack. Yeah, watch out my video and I show people. Pussy well, let me tell you this now. Tell your blood clot mama if you go look alive. Me no come from Grenada. You over $600 me pay a month for rent. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you this now. Tell your blood clot mama if you go look alive. Every day you sit down and I watch my video and I watch when me put up and women no put up pussy wall. Let me tell you this. Tell your mama if you go look somewhere put up you live, you no live nowhere. Catch you no walk and bumbo clot catch. Every day you get up and drink up this dirty bag of blood clot rum and walk and fuck and have nothing for yourself. Where you live? Where your mama live? Stop watch my bumbo clot video and show people. Like you spread rumors for man boss. Me no need you to spread rumors for me, no me spread rumors for my fucking self, cause anything me put it on social media, me not hide fucking nothing. So yeah, we are go watch me video them and a call man and a show man me video. Boy go suck your mother. When you marry, when you do run go marry to you British, we get bumbo clot help. Eh? Cause nah nothing. Yeah, you stinking mama we walk and drink bumbo clot rum. Me no drink rum. Yeah, me make sure I tell her that $600 a month me pay. Me no live on street. And I walk on a blood clot catch. Make sure I tell her that. Tap watch my bumbo clot video and show people. Watch it and keep it to your blood clot self. For you spread rumors, me already have spread it already, so not bother spread none. What the fuck do you? You ever see me on road and hunger print on my blood clot? If hunger print on me, yes, me come. That's it, I print palm. You're a pussy, cause me that Jamaica, me don't go through certain things when I go through, yes, sir. Aye. So the fuck you come watch out my video now. Boy, go tell your mama if you look alive. And find somewhere put you. As a young youth, and go look walk and rent a place live. Cause now no blood clot ambition. Come and watch out my video and I call man and I show them. Pussy, I wanna be. Stop watch out my video them. Fuck when I watch out my video them for. If you show no bad mind and dirty and corrupt on a bumbo clot be. You gotta watch out my video and I call next man. And as me come on the bumbo clot road, the next man I go call me and tell me every fucking thing. That go on to no go look alive, pussy wall. You don't live no life. No life no there so. Make sure you tell them that. Fuck when I watch out me thing for. All the dog fucking bad mind, for sure no. Boss, when you go look alive. But you don't want to charge me for bang belly goat. Who no want me go to jail, who no want me get charged with, who no go suck on mama, he court done. See done? Who no fi ask the thinking judge in Granville family court, why in that way? Why she never dash away from the first when Mr. Thomasin tell him you can't charge me for that? Who no like foreigners, who no bumbo clot, you know. Guys, I'm out. Suck on mama. And people, viewers and subscribers, for sure no fuck up your judge be. For sure, you know, me have my rights and I hear me go tell you like a dirty bang belly goat. Oh, you still can't go sue him. Sue your blood clot, sue for what? Where like a dirty bang belly goat I go sue for? You know, pussy clot dog, you know. Go on and look. Go on and look. The disaster no start taking no blood clot yet, you know. Wait. I give you no time. You know, bumbo clot. You know, take set pan me. I'm going to take set pan. And I only want to know strength for. Me don't know social media phone. No. Me don't know social media phone. No. But no put up no video. Me son put no video on YouTube. Go suck no mama. Aye. Uno ban me off the internet. Uno pussy clot idiot. I'm going to ask now a question. Which one I minister? Or who's to ever build a app? Which one of them big man in Grenada build a app put on bumbo class social media? Uno go suck on a mama. Uno go talk about me no fi build video put pan. Uno go suck out on a mama and go. Uno bad mind. The food when I cook, I hit about no blood clot. I sacrifice myself. Enough things go on to do and I can't do it, but just to build my video. Me no want to look flap on blood clot YouTube because I no cook fuckery. Make sure you tell her that. So no stop watch my bumbo clot video and chat. Tell your mama if you go look alive, if you go look at work and rent somewhere and put bumbo clot you. You know, pussy, you don't have no ambition, you can't chat to blood clot me. But I watch my video, them and I criticize and I chat. You know, go suck on the mama. You see this one, and then I want them want to spread and play that's a friend and family they eerie. Your bumbo clot you. I don't know man, your teeth come like when bumbo clot. Dog, I not even know what you say. But clean your teeth, youth. And stop watch out my bumbo clot video and spread rumors. Go suck your mother and go look at work. Stop sleeping a couch, pussy, or sleep a ground. Your bumbo clot.